Programming feels hard for you right now, and I get it. Because when you open YouTube or X, it looks like people are building full apps in a few hours. They type something into AI, it spits out code, the UI works, the backend connects, the database saves data, and they ship. Meanwhile, you're stuck fixing one error, trying to understand what a piece of code even does. So it's easy to start thinking, what's wrong with me? Why am I so slow? I've been there. But here's what I wish someone told me earlier. Programming feels hard not because you're bad at it, but because you're actually trying to understand it. And that's a completely different game. Most people confuse coding with programming. Coding is typing something that works. Programming is knowing why it works and what to do when it doesn't. That's the part that's hard. Because programming is really just this, taking something confusing and breaking it into small, clear steps. Let me show you what that actually looks like today. Imagine you want to build a simple task manager app. A user signs up, logs in, and saves notes. Sounds simple, right? But look at what's actually happening. You need a screen for sign up. You need inputs. You need to send that data somewhere. You need a backend to receive it. You need a database to store it. You need to connect everything. You need to handle errors. You need to make sure it still works when something fails. Now here's the difference. A beginner looks at that and feels overwhelmed. A developer doesn't try to build the whole app at once. They slow it down. First, can I collect user input? Then, can I send it somewhere? Then, can I store it? Then, can I get it back and show it? One step at a time. That's it. Just breaking things down until they're simple enough to solve. And this is exactly why it feels hard for you, because you've mostly been shown what to type, but not how to think through problems. That gap is where the frustration comes from. Now add AI on top of this. You see people using tools to generate the UI, the backend, even the database setup. They connect everything in one go. It works, they ship, and it makes you feel like you're behind. But here's the part you don't see. When something breaks, when the login stops working, when the database returns the wrong data, can they trace the problem? Can they fix it without guessing? Because generating code is one thing. Understanding how all the pieces connect, that's a completely different skill, and that's the one you're building. There's another thing slowing you down. Too much watching, not enough doing. You follow tutorials, everything works, but the moment you try to build something alone, you get stuck. That's normal.
Oh, is that so?
Because watching shows you the path. Building forces you to find the path, and that's where the real learning happens. So what actually helps? Break things down more than you think you need to. If something feels hard, it's probably still too big. Explain what you're doing out loud. I still do this. It shows you instantly what you don't understand. Expect things to break. That's not failure. That's the process. Build small things, not perfect things, just working things. And stop comparing yourself to people shipping fast with AI. You're not seeing the full picture. Programming is hard, but not because you're not smart enough. It's hard because you're learning how to think in a new way. Every developer you look up to went through this. The confusion, the bugs, the moments where nothing makes sense. They just didn't stop there. So if this feels difficult right now, just pick a path that interests you the most. Narrow down and go deeper on this path, even with the AI noise. This will build your foundation, and don't forget domain expertise to actually be unique in this era. And that part is what turns you into someone who can build, fix, and understand anything you touch.